Welcome to Tradespoon. My name is Vlad Karpel. I'm the founder and CEO of Tradespoon, and I'd like to continue our discussion on technical analysis. We already talked about trend, we talked about support and resistance. And to be a successful technical trader and analyst, when you look at the charts, you have to pick maybe 3 or 4 different technical indicators. You have upper studies and the lower studies, but there's one technical indicator that I really like and a lot of people follow is Fibonacci Retracements. So let's take a look. Again, technical analysis, let's review it. It's a core technical analysis is a study of supply and demand in the market. And again, whether you use upper study or lower study, there are hundreds of different technical indicators. Some of them are more common and some are more popular. But at the end of the day, they all derive from the analysis of price action, volume, and time. So if you look at 20 different indicators, you probably not realizing that all of these indicators are derivatives of those 3 underlying attributes, such as volume. It's a vector, 3-dimensional vector that determines price, volume, and time. And technical analysis becomes kind of a self-fulfilled prophecy. If everybody is looking at indicators such as Fibonacci retracement, that means it will be a self-fulfilled prophecy that when everybody follows the same indicator, most likely this is what's going to happen. So for Fibonacci retracement, if everybody knows that 50% retracement as a key support level, as the stock depreciates and reaches 50% retracement, most likely it will go up. So I do like Fibonacci retracement. I do use it on a daily basis, especially when I look at the indexes such as S&P. So let's take a look. What is the Fibonacci retracement? Fibonacci retracements refer to areas of support and resistance based on pullbacks or rallies that correspond to levels found in the Fibonacci sequence. What is the Fibonacci sequence? You can look it up on the internet, who created the Fibonacci sequence. It's been around for a very long time, and it's a very interesting concept. It's kind of one that self-fulfilled prophecy that certain numbers occurs in nature very often. So Fibonacci retracement refers to areas of support and resistance. And you can see it on the screen on Tradespoon, where we provide you with daily recommendation. We provide 1 trade a day. We give you 22 trade recommendation a month that you can find at Tradespoon.com. And along with every trade recommendation, we build our own chart that shows you Fibonacci retracement that you can see on the screen. That follows the numbers 23.5%, 38%, 50%. So how do you plot Fibonacci numbers? If you use any technical charting package, and you look at the time horizon, let's say look at the 1-year chart. You are finding the lowest point on 1-year chart and you're finding the highest point on 1-year chart. And you connect those 2 dots and you draw your Fibonacci retracements. At Tradespoon, our key research shows that the highest probability of predicting where a stock is going to be is anywhere from 50 to 75 days. Hence, we're looking at the chart that has 60 days worth of data. So on every stock that we recommended and every trade we recommended, you see in 60 days worth of chart. And this is what you see on the screen. How did we plot that? We found the lowest point on the 60-day chart. We found the highest point on the 60-day chart. And we did this retracement where the key retracement are 50%, 68%, and 32%. So on this chart, you see Las Vegas Sand. Right, we talked about Las Vegas Sand. After the earnings announcement, Las Vegas Sand sold off. So now 50% retracement, where you see it at 59.5 roughly on the chart. If you look at the y-axis, 59.5 is a 50% retracement. If there is no binary event, then going into the future for the next 10, 20 days, since we're looking at the 60-day chart, most likely, unless there is a binary event, Las Vegas Sand will not breach the overhead resistance at 59.5. That means as it does approach, as it rebounds and reverts to its mean, as it approaches back to 59.5, this is your sell signal. Please visit us at Tradespoon.com/webinars. We have great content, a lot of webinars on different topics. Also follow us on social media. Go to Tradespoon.com and we have a free trial where you can find out more information about us. Thank you.